Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save the Google Drive files. So first of all let me go here and open Google Drive. Now you can select the files that you want to get in your laptop. So for example let me select these three files, and now if you want to save these files in your laptop, then simply you can go here and click on download button. Then here you can see files are preparing and getting downloading. So now we got a zip file, and here you can extract this zip file, and now you can access all of the files in your laptop.